Here is a pro tip to improve your UI design skills and get design inspiration. So if you don't have any design inspirations or don't know what to create for the list like this and how should the header look like, or you don't know the best practices and standards, you can always check the design systems like Google Material or Apple Human. As an example, let's go to Material Design. So this is the official design system of Google. So in here we can check components. On components, let's go to buttons and let's check common buttons, and in here they will provide all the details and guidelines you must follow to create a button. So those are standard UI rules or UI design. That's why you should follow this type of design system if you don't have any design ideas or if you are a beginner. As an example, if we go to the guidelines, and in here we will have the details with the screenshot of a button, that how we add to our design. So in here we have do and don't section, and when we follow this type of design system, even you don't have any UX design skills, you can naturally get the user-friendly interface. So in this case, we have KISS UX principle. Keep it simple, stupid UX principle. So that's why you should follow design guideline like this. In another example, if we go to the cards and we already created the card list. So if we go here, we can check guidelines, and in here we have the things that we must follow. So in this series, I may not complete all the UI elements, but you can always check this type of design systems and understand how to create a perfect design. In that case, if you build a different app, you can follow the guideline of the design system and create component according to your requirement. This is an insightful lesson from the Learn UI UX App Design with Figma course. So if you are ready to improve your UI UX skills, you can find the complete course on Udemy. Click the first link on the description to check it out. Let's continue the learning adventure together. See you in the full course.